Good day. This instructional video will guide you on shop drawing submittal using the Unifier. But before we begin, let's have a quick overview of the shop drawing submittal workflow. Shop drawing submittal workflow begins with the document controller of UBTJV, who completes the paper copy of the shop drawing submittal form and put together the shop drawings to be submitted. Then he logs into the Unifier and creates a submittal record by entering the required details for the submission. He will also need to upload the electronic copy of the shop drawings to be submitted and the electronic copy of the submittal form in the Unifier. Then the senior document controller will review and check if the submission is correct. If it is correct, then he will submit it to the document controller of DAR. DAR document controller will check again the submittal and accept if the enclosures are complete and correct. If it's complete and correct, then he can forward the submission for review to the users of DAR and WSP. The reviewers can view or download the shop drawing and input their comments in the Unifier. These comments will be forwarded to DAR resident engineer, who will then input his final comments for the drawing. Then it will go to the document controller of DAR, who will print the drawings with the annotations and comments and obtain the physical signature of DAR resident engineer and project director. Then he will upload the revised drawing and comment sheet and submittal form in the Unifier and update the line status of each drawing. It can be code 1, code 2, code 3, or code 4. Then he will send it to UBTJV document controller. UBTJV document controller will receive the response from DAR and allocate for internal distribution the received response. The received response will then be reviewed by the project director and technical and engineering team, and if it's code 3, then it will be subject for resubmission. Begin by opening your browser, and it is recommended to use Google Chrome for Unifier. Then enter the URL address, your username, your password, and then click Sign In. Make sure that this button, beside the notification button, is blue. If it's gray, you have to click it once and then close. And this will enable the new user interface for Unifier. Then, check the user banner which is found beside the home button. Check if the project is visible. If not, you have to click the plus sign and then click for the project. The project is the same as the package or contract number of the project. But on this video tutorial, we're going to use the test system. To submit shop drawing using the Unifier, make sure that the electronic copies are ready. Then the document controller needs also to prepare a CSV file. This CSV file will be for the bulk import of the electronic documents. In the CSV file, the document controller needs to enter the reference number of the drawing or the submittal form, the title of the drawing, the line item status, which is pending since we are sending it for approval, the revision number of the drawing, the IFC reference, and the file name of the document being uploaded. Make sure that the file extension is there Like on this case, this is a PDF that we're going to upload. So the file extension .pdf is there. Next, go to the navigation tree in Unifier. Look for the folder Drawing Management. Under Drawing Management, click the subfolder Shop Drawing Submittal. In Shop Drawing Submittal folder, you will find the button Create. Click that. Then we have to enter the details of the submittal. The details of the submittal is in your submittal form. So, such as the reference number, what is the submittal form, the submittal title, and the category of your submittal. So let's enter those information. The recipient will be DAR. The serial number will be 044. And this is the first version of the submittal, so it will be R00. And in case that there's a previous submittal, you can also link your submittal to that by clicking this button, and that button will open up the library for the previous submittal. Since this is the first submittal, so there's no need for me to enter anything or link anything in this submittal. Then I have to enter the submittal details, the drawing title, which is on your submittal, which is here. Let me just copy that. Okay. Oops, sorry, I copied the wrong detail. This is the title. Okay. And I have to enter also the facility code of this submittal. $15.40. This is submittal for approval. Discipline is structural. And category is also structural. Okay. Once I have those details, now I'm ready to upload the drawing. There are two options how you will upload the drawing. First, you can upload it one by one by clicking the button Add as a line item. Then you can enter the details. You can browse and enter and select the file. Okay, and then enter its details. If it will be too laborious for you in cases that you have a lot of shop drawings to be submitted, the CSV file and the bulk upload will come handy. So let me just cancel this and let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I canceled and I have to remove this. Yes. And cancel. So click Action and then Import. Then I will select the CSV file, which is this that I have prepared earlier. Then click Next. Now I can drag and drop all of the soft copies or electronic copies. Okay, and then click Upload. Okay, now all has been uploaded. See, automatically the line item details is already been captured. Now, if you want to see the attachment, you can click the tab Attachment beside the line item details. Oops. Let me just click Save first. Okay, so that I can open it. Then I can still review, download the documents, but if you want to see the documents online, you can click Review so that you can preview the document online. Okay, you can see here all of the documents that we have uploaded. The submittal form is right here. See, you can find everything. You can view everything that you uploaded using the gear button. Okay, now everything has been uploaded, everything is okay. Now I will send the submission to the Senior Document Controller of UBTJV to review and check if the submission is correct. So I'll just click again, I'll click Send, and then I'll send it for review. And then I'll select from the group and user picker. Make sure that you click the arrow so that it will go to the selected items. And then click Select. Okay. Now click Send. And you will see a notification that says the record number that has been created for this submission. So let's remember the number 30. Okay. Now, as a senior document controller, I just need to go to the navigation tree as in the folder Task Manager. Under that is Tasks. And it will go to the task of the senior document controller. Since I am also acting as a senior document controller, it sends also to my task. So now, as a senior document controller, I will check the submission, if it's correct, and then send it to DAR for acceptance. So I'll check if everything is correct, but I have to click first the Accept button to accepting the task. It will change to Send and Save button. I can check also the drawings if it's okay. The same as we did before. See, the line items is there. The submitted date is blank because we haven't submitted it yet to DAR. Attachments. Attachments, I have to click the gear button. Then I can review and download the document if I wanted to. Okay, so everything is okay. So I will send it to DAR for submission. So send. I'll send it for submission. And I can click Glenn. You can also put a CC to other users. And then you can also select the task due when you are expecting the submission. Let's just say that after I have submitted it, I am expecting a reply from DAR on the 16th. This will notify DAR that they have a due submission or a response to UBTJV. Click Done. Okay, so I'm expecting on May 16. I think that's too long. Let's make it April 29. Okay. So meaning to say I'm waiting for a response on April 29 from DAR in this submission. So click send. That's it. You already have submitted the shop drawing to DAR and you are just waiting for the response.